Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Redmi. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and choose Passwords and Security. Then click on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Start, wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. Then select Done at the bottom. Over here, adjust all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to disable this feature completely, tap on this blue switcher next to Unlock using Face Data. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to disable Face Data completely, click on it at the top and scroll all the way down. Then select Delete Face Data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!